How to apply for a credit card on Capital One. What is up, everyone? In this quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily apply for a credit card on Capital One. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our new uploads. Now let's jump right into the video. First thing you need to do is open up any web browser you have and then search for capitalone.com. And once you do that, you will have to tap on the first link right here, capitalone.com, and it will take you to its official website. And once you land on the home page, the first thing you will see is find your match to see what cards may fit your credit profile and apply with confidence. So tap on see if I'm pre-approved. And once you tap on it, it will take you to another page. Now here you can see multiple options. The answer for your pre-approval question. You can also find out if you're pre-approved and review your terms and accept offers. So here are all of the possible offers. You can tap on any card that you'd like to apply for. For example, if I tap on the Quicksilver one, you can answer these questions, or these are optional. You can also skip these questions. First, you'll have to provide your legal name and then your middle name and your last name. Then tap on next. And once you have done that, you'll have to provide your residential address, or if you are in an apartment or a suite, you can enter that as well. Then after you have provided the address, you can just enter your date of birth, your social security number, and just follow the on-screen instructions, and you should be able to apply for a new card. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.